Hi friends, today we will know that how we can solve the problem of sound when we plug the earphone or headphone in our laptop or PC. So let's start. First of all, we will go the Windows icon and after we will go setting. And setting, when we go setting, go on the system. After system, go in the system information. So first go about, and after about go in the system information. You go in the system information and there are four options. So go in the last advanced setting system. So when we go in advanced setting system, there is a hardware option. Go in the hardware, and in the below is the device installation setting. So go in the device installation setting and click, and there is two option. So go in the no, your device might not work as expected. So go no option, yes and no, to select the no option and save changes. After save changes and apply OK, so this will set the setting of our device. After this, go the device manager. In the option, go in the device manager. After in the device manager, there are two options: audio input and output, and other option is sound, video and game controller. So go in the sound, video and game controller. So click here two types, and there is two option: intake display audio and Realtek audio. So go in the intake display audio and click in the right of the mouse, and there is update driver, disable device and uninstall. So don't do anything and uninstall device. And when you uninstall device, if it ask you to restart, so don't restart. After go in the Realtek audio, and there is also a option of uninstall device. So uninstall this. After both uninstallation, you see the here the network is connected, and you connect your earphone or headphone in your laptop, and after restart the PC. After restart, you can see that your earphone and headphone problem is solved. So if this happen, then please like and subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon for the further notification for laptop and other. Thank you.